Welcome to AI with Abdul, Tech Insights and Tutorial channel.
Today, I would showing you to the easiest way to create your own music using AI. Open your Chrome browser and then search Beatbot. Then click. Open the Beatbot AI. Then text a prompt just like your mood and your things. Let's say example, I feel good. Then click on generate button. This AI makes a song for you and you can edit the lyrics. And then if you are not satisfied, then retry. Say I will show you a different. Very good.
Like always control. No need to worry, 'cause
Audio video and download it.
I'm feeling strong. Feel like I can take on the whole phone.
Tutorial is an audio.
So on.
Thank you for watching AI with Abdul, Tech Insights and Tutorial channel. Like, comment and share this video. And don't forget to subscribe this channel for more updates.